Please take your seat immediately. We're about to land.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Finish the Race video, aka Victory Lap. I am Liz, and I was reading my book. I like to read before I go to bed. As you can see, I'm in my bed. And I realized that June 1st had passed, and today is June 5th, and I did not do my 6-month video countdown. So this is it. Yay to me. I have 6 months left. I'm counting it down, y'all. I'm like, I get so excited, like 6 months, and you guys know how 6 months can fly like this. So I have a lot that I'm planning to make sure that my preparation goes smoothly, my transition with the shipping of the container, and buying a one-way ticket. I haven't bought that yet because I'm still working out some things in the U.S. that I need to complete. That I need to complete before I make my final exit. But as of for right now, I have 6 months left, and just wanted to kind of give you guys a quick update on that. Sorry that I had to do this video in my bed. I didn't feel like getting up and setting up no cameras and doing all that stuff. Y'all, this YouTube stuff is no joke, especially when it comes to the editing. So I said, look, while it's still fresh on my mind, let me just do a quick video, and yay, 6 months. So like I said, it's not how you start, it's how you finish. See you guys. Bye. It's not cutting off. Come on, cut out.